Welcome to the amazing world of 1,000 Vlogs. Vikings Restaurant is a luxury buffet that you can find in the country. This buffet restaurant offers a class and elegant dining experience. Actually, they are one of the most famous buffet restaurants in the Philippines. They started serving Filipino consumers in April 2011. If you're searching for a luxury buffet in the Philippines that delivers variety, quality, and value, look no further than Vikings Luxury Buffet. Widely regarded as the go-to spot for birthday celebrations, family gatherings, and weekend indulgence, Vikings continues to dominate the local buffet scene in 2025 with its massive selection of international cuisines, eye-catching interiors, and competitive pricing. Vikings Luxury Buffet is renowned for offering an extensive array of international cuisines, providing diners with a culinary journey across the globe. The buffet features over 400 delectable dishes, including Asian, American, and European specialties. Let's start with their drinks. Vikings menu offers different selections of fruit juices and shakes. They also have Pepsi products and iced tea. Vikings has delightful selection of bread that are delicious to pair with some really good cheeses and cold cuts. The Japanese section serves the best tasting sashimi and sushi. They also have tempura, teriyaki, and sukiyaki. Then, if you are a fan of Italian food, their pasta and pizza station might interest you, as you can make your own pizza fresh and ready. For those who enjoy eating shabu-shabu, you'll be glad to know that they have a shabu-shabu station where you can choose what to put in your shabu-shabu. Your choices of soup for that would be Singaporean laksa, tamarind, satay, and many more. From beef, pork loin, corn, lobster balls, vermicelli noodles, bok choy, and a lot more choices that will surely enjoy this shabu-shabu station. The Vikings menu have also a Chinese section. They have wide selections of dim sum from sayapao and shumai, but the fried salt and pepper spur ribs are highly recommended. They also have patatim on their menu that is super tender and covered in a rich sweet sauce. This goes well with rice. On their carving station, their boneless lechon is simply irresistible. For the desserts, they have a large number of them that you can choose from cakes, crepes, and petit fours. You can also customize your sundae. You can also create your own yogurt dessert if you are a little health conscious. Truly, Vikings are the best buffet restaurant where you can find good food. do watch our other food crawl series. Please do watch our other food crawl series. Have you been to Vikings Buffet? What was your experience? Let us know in the comments section below. One. What time is Vikings Luxury Buffet open? Answer. The restaurant is open daily 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. for lunch and 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. for dinner. Two. Is there a dress code at Vikings Luxury Buffet? Answer, no, there is no dress code at Vikings. However, they do ask that guests be appropriately dressed when dining in the restaurant. Three. What are the payment methods accepted at Vikings? Answer. The payment methods accepted at Vikings are cash and major credit cards. Four. What is the buffet policy at Vikings? Answer. No takeout policy and all foods must be consumed inside the restaurant. All drinks, buffets, and party packages are on a first-come, first-served basis, and reservations must be made in advance to ensure availability. Five. Is Vikings open on holidays? Answer, yes, Vikings is open on holidays. However, the rates may be higher on these days. Six. Is a reservation needed at Vikings? Answer, yes, a reservation is needed to ensure availability, but they also accept walk-in guests, however. They will be subject to availability. You can contact them through their phone number or email address for reservations. 7. Is Vikings worth trying? Answer: absolutely. Vikings Luxury Buffet offers an impressive array of dishes that are sure to satisfy even the most discerning palate. With its focus on fresh, high-quality ingredients and impeccable service, Vikings is definitely worth your time and money. 8. Do Vikings have time limits? The answer is yes, as their lunch is served from 11 a.m. to 2:30 p.m. and dinner from 5:30 p.m. to 10 p.m. The best time to go to their buffet is for dinner if you want to enjoy your time trying most of their food, plus dinner was served longer time than lunch. Groceries. Vikings Luxury Buffet. 9 frequently asked questions for hungry customers. Thank you for watching.